Figuring out dinner every night, every single day until you die is the reality of life. But I made it my mission in my life to make it easy for you. And here's how you can make your life as easy breezy as mine. Okay, just kidding. Life is never easy breezy, but at least I can save you from dinner. Don't believe me? Watch this. By the way, I'm MJ, founder of loadedpotato.org and your Refrigerator Eliminator. I help you hack your kitchen with quick, easy, budget-friendly meals using only shelf-stable ingredients straight from a pantry. Now, make sure you subscribe to my channel and I'll make sure you never have to worry about dinner again. I hate to cook, so I figured out how to hack the system and make quick, cheap, easy meals using ingredients straight from my pantry. I built loadedpotato.org for myself, but the hack is too good, I just had to share it with you. Think of loadedpotato.org as like the washer and the dryer, but for dinner. I do all the hard stuff, the ideas, the deciding, the calculating, and all you have to do is throw the ingredients together and turn the stove on. Don't come at me if you think that putting away laundry is hard, because that proves that you've never done your laundry on a washboard. So say thank you to your washing machine. Once you decide on all your meals on the site, we'll calculate literally everything you need, down to the grams of pepper and ounces of water. And conveniently, you can add it all right to your Walmart or Amazon Fresh cart right from our site. Try it. It's not scary. You can X out of it, you can close out of it, you can delete it. It is no commitment, cost you nothing. You can add it right to your cart. So easy, all free. But here's some hints to make it a lot easier. First, make sure you are already logged into your Amazon Fresh or Walmart apps. Inside our website, our Add to Cart button will automatically open the app for you on your phone or your website. So if you're already logged in, it makes it so much easier. If you don't live in a big city, I'm sorry to tell you, Amazon Fresh probably won't work for you. Sorry to say. Amazon Fresh is amazing, but it doesn't work for me out in the country either. But you can bet I love to use it when we're on vacation at a bigger city. Now, if you are one of the lucky ones who can get Amazon Fresh, go you. When you click Add to Cart, Amazon will verify your list before you add to your cart and tell you the items they didn't have. Take note of those. You may have to go pick those up at the grocery store. But other than that, Amazon is awesome. Huge fan. They have a ton of canned and shelf-stable foods that are exactly what you need to be stocking up your pantry full of with just a click of the button. If you can, start using Amazon more and more, because the more people Amazon sees using Amazon Fresh, the bigger they will spread, so us country folks can start using them too. But if you would prefer to use Walmart, like me, they are also great. They can also deliver to your house if you live near them, or you could do curbside like I have to, living way out here in the country. Walmart's app will directly put everything that you selected on our site right into your cart. So check through the list on our site before it's in your cart, just in case you don't need pepper or already have a bunch of canned peas that you're trying to use up. Walmart will let you know the items that aren't available. They might be available on Amazon, or you can just go pick them up at a local store. Either way, just take note to make sure you have what you need. Now, here's the part that ruffles some feathers, but hear me out. I use dehydrated foods, dehydrated onions, bell peppers, potatoes, etc. This saves me from the hassle of having to slice and dice and keep fresh produce from going bad. But these cans only come in a large size, kind of like seasonings. So the first time you buy it, it may initially look like your meals are expensive, but please know, a can of dehydrated onions, for example, at a quarter cup per meal, this can will last you, I don't know, 10, 15, 20 meals before you need to buy another can. So now this also goes for the seasoning. Obviously, you know, if there's pepper, you're not going to use the entire container of pepper on that one meal. So it's the same basic concept, just a little bit larger size. This does confuse some people, and I just wanted to be clear. These huge cans of dehydrated veggies last so long and they save you so much money. Trust me, they're worth it and you don't have to buy them all that often. So there you have it. What you need to know before ordering groceries from loadedpotato.org on Walmart and Amazon Fresh. And be sure to follow me for more amazing recipes and fun using only shelf-stable ingredients, and check out loadedpotato.org to see all of our recipes, meal plans, grocery lists, and recommended products to save you time, money, and reduce your dependence on the refrigerator. Till next time!